company. And I sure would like some sweet company.
He would like to fly you to Fredonia to meet him. He would like to fly you to Fredonia to meet him.
He would like you to come to his office immediately. He would like you to come to his office immediately.
Because I would like to make you a homemade dinner. Because I would like to make you a homemade dinner.
I'm sure she would like to hear from you. I'm sure she would like to hear from you.
I would like a drink, please. I would like a drink, please. I would like a vodka martini, please. I would like a vodka martini, please.
I would like to take you to dinner to say thank you. I would like to take you to dinner to say thank you.
She would like that very much. She would like that very much.
She would like some music. She would like some music.
She would like to meet you. She would like to meet you.
She would like to see you in the kitchen. She would like to see you in the kitchen.
She would like to see you tomorrow night. She would like to see you tomorrow night.
Would you like some tea, Mrs. Nesbit? Would you like some tea, Mrs. Nesbit?
Would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee?
We want to know if you would like to become part of this family. We want to know if you would like to become part of this family.
How would you like to do that? How would you like to do that? How would you like to do that?
I've got some good news and some bad news. Which would you like to hear first? I've got some good news and some bad news. Which would you like to hear first?
How would you like to be rich? How would you like to be rich?
Where would you like to get married? Where would you like to get married?
Well, when would you like to start? Well, when would you like to start?
What would you like? What would you like?
What would you like to have for dinner? Huh? What would you like to have for dinner? Huh?
Who would you like to call? Who would you like to call?
Who would you like to meet? Who would you like to meet?
Why would you like to know? Why would you like to know? Why would you like to know?
Would you like a drink, sweetheart? Would you like a drink, sweetheart? Would you like a drink, sweetheart?
Would you like some toast? Would you like some toast?
Would you like to have some? Would you like to have some?
Would you like to help us? Would you like to help us?
Would you like to talk about this, friend? Would you like to talk about this, friend?
Are you sure the good doctor wouldn't like something more colorful? Are you sure the good doctor wouldn't like something more colorful?
Are you sure you wouldn't like to sit down? Are you sure you wouldn't like to sit down?
I wouldn't like to think that. I wouldn't like to think that.
Louis, I wouldn't like to shoot you, but I will if you take one more step. Louis, I wouldn't like to shoot you, but I will if you take one more step.
No, I wouldn't like to leave another message. No, I wouldn't like to leave another message.
You wouldn't like to hear my side of the story. You wouldn't like to hear my side of the story.